Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So I never knew there's such a thing as soy butter. Soy nut butter, Wowbutter, whatever you know it as. It tastes kinda like peanut butter, but it's more earthy and is way more subtle. So I was intrigued and decided to make some cookies with it. In a bowl, I creamed together 40 grams of soft butter, 60 grams of brown sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. 1 egg, and mixed it in thoroughly. Then I added 80 grams of the soy butter and whisked everything together really well. Now that's 100 grams of flour and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. I gently mixed the flour in and stopped as soon as no flour was visible. And then I divided the dough into 10 pieces and rounded each one into a ball. So in an effort to make some sort of a pattern, I used the back of this strainer. Gently press down on the cookies. And then I put them in a 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius oven for around 12 minutes. So again, at first it sort of tastes like peanut butter cookies, slightly underwhelming to be honest, but it has its own merits. You know how sometimes you like something, but you think to yourself, I don't think I can have another one. And this cookie is exactly the opposite. I think it's quite nice overall, especially for, say, allergy concerns, or maybe you just want something different. Try it out so you can tell yourself, maybe you like it as well. If you did, leave a comment below and let me know what you think, or what you did to make it even better. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos to come in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.